Hello guys, today we are going to review this Prosumer QX Macro Lens. You can say this one is the Indian version of QX Macro Lens. Why Indian? Many of you know that QX lens is made in Indonesia, but this one I have made for a customer's special request. That's why you can call this Indian version of QX Macro Lens. We will explore how much quality it provides. So let's start the video. Black border. I am using here Google Pixel 7 mobile for the review. Google Pixel has a huge camera bump. Still, we are not getting much black border here. Normally it gives you 1.6 black border, but we will zoom 1.9x to get better results. Now let's talk about the focal distance. This lens is basically for bigger objects, so it has a good focal distance. If I talk about the maximum focal distance, the lens has 7 to 8 cm of maximum focal distance and no quality issues. And if I talk about the minimum focal distance, it has 3 cm focal distance, which gives you great close-up shots. If we talk about the focal area, this has a great focal area. As I told you earlier, this lens is basically for bigger objects, so it's obvious that it will have a good focal area. Okay, so as you can make an idea just by seeing my fingers fully focused all together with the lens. Now let's talk about the flat background. This lens performs well when it comes about the flat background. In this green background, I am getting fully flat background like Nikon L810 and 45mm macro lens. Even without green surface, I also got good flat background and blur behind the object. Now let's talk about the bokeh background. As you know, QX Macro Lens is best known for its bokeh. This Indian version also performs like a king. Okay, I have tested the lens under few trees. As you know, trees are the best light source for bokeh background, and you can check how this lens is providing beautiful round shape bokeh background even without any quality loss. Now let's talk about the magnification. This lens has a great magnification. I have tried on high zoom and found that photos are still in good condition without any distortion. The details I found on the objects are too much impressive also. Now enjoy some photo samples from this lens, and if you need this lens, you can contact us on this number. Thank you. We'll see you in next video.